Welcome to the story of the Arochukwu Kingdom, a powerful and ancient Igbo kingdom located in present-day Abia State, Nigeria. According to legend, Arochukwu was founded by the Igbo people around the 13th century. The kingdom was said to have been established by the great Igbo warrior, Akuma. Under the visionary leadership of Akuma and his successors, Arochukwu transformed into a powerful and prosperous kingdom. This remarkable kingdom was renowned for its skilled craftsmen who created intricate works of art and tools. The vibrant markets of Arochukwu were bustling with traders from far and wide, exchanging goods and stories. The rich cultural heritage of the kingdom was evident in its festivals, music, and traditional dances, which were celebrated with great enthusiasm. Arochukwu's influence extended far beyond its borders, leaving a lasting legacy in the region. One of the most famous landmarks in Arochukwu is the Long Juju Shrine, a sacred site dedicated to the worship of the Igbo gods. This ancient shrine, nestled deep within the lush forests of Arochukwu, is a place of profound spiritual significance. The shrine is said to contain powerful artifacts and relics that hold the secrets of the Igbo people, passed down through generations. Visitors and pilgrims come from far and wide to pay their respects and seek blessings. The Long Juju Shrine is not just a historical monument, it is a living testament to the rich cultural heritage and enduring spiritual traditions of the Igbo community. The air around the shrine is thick with the sense of mystery and reverence, making it a truly awe-inspiring destination. Today, the legacy of Arochukwu lives on through its people, culture, and traditions. The kingdom's rich history and heritage continue to inspire and educate people around the world. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through the rich and fascinating story of the Arochukwu Kingdom. From its majestic hills to its vibrant countryside, every aspect of this ancient kingdom holds a unique tale. May the legacy of Arochukwu continue to inspire and educate us all, reminding us of the resilience, culture, and history that shape our world. Let us carry forward the lessons learned and cherish the heritage that connects us to our past, guiding us into a brighter future. Follow us to learn more about fascinating Igbo history and culture.